by sharing with you the approach that we have in this field that, as I said, is Bioinspired soft robotics. This is our area. So this means that we start from biological systems from which we extract the key principle to design new machines, new technology for several applications. In particular, then I will show you some of the application that we are addressing, but in particular, we developed these robots for environmental monitoring, rescue, and exploration. But sometimes, since these robotics platforms are deeply based on bioinspiration, as I said, sometimes we can use these technologies, these robots, to validate some hypotheses on the biological system that we take as a model. Then I will show you some example of this approach. And so the goal is to improve both basic science and technology. But of course, what is clear is that in recent years, robotics and AI have progressed enormously. These technology are already in our life, and they will be more and more integrated in our societies in the future. But concerning robotics, when we think about robots, of course, the first image is a robot in industrial domain. Since they born for that, they are really efficient in this context. They are really fast. They are pre-programmed by humans, and the interaction with the human operators usually are limited for safety reasons. But there are many other contexts in which robots have not reached the abilities, they don't have the abilities to operate, especially in a very unstructured environments, in harsh conditions, in situations that are dynamically changing. This is why we want to take lessons from nature to extract a simplified principle to design robots for a complex world. This is the main motivation. And in fact, living organisms are designed to adapt to different environments, to very, as I say, the unstructured conditions. And adaptation can also be considered as a sort of form of intelligence in the definition ecology. This is exactly the way in which we define the intelligence in living